What is up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. My name is Johansson Roque, and I'm your everyday average Joe who's trying to invest and take the stock market serious, and hopefully bring my finances to the next level. So a quick disclaimer before we get into the video or the actual channel itself. I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes, so please make sure to do your own diligence. So about myself, I'm a finance major who's been working in the corporate world for over 8 years now. I am married, just had my first baby, which is very exciting. So that also led to this journey that I'm trying to undertake right now. After the baby was born, my wife decided to take some extra time to be with the baby, which is exactly what we wanted. And that's obviously cutting our finances in, I don't know about exactly half, but it is cutting them a little bit to where it used to be. So to that point, we won't be able to really save as much as we wanted to in the past. So I was thinking, hey, what are the best way to kind of grow our savings organically if we're not going to be able to save nearly as much as we used to in the past? So I've always kind of dabbled in and out with the stock market, but I've never taken it fully serious, or I've never gotten to a point where I'm having most of my actual savings in the market itself. But I thought, hey, what better time than now? I've been working from home for over a year now. I think like most of you, this is something I've always wanted to do. So I thought it was going to be the perfect time to, kind of take a stab at it and see where it goes. So a couple things about the channel before we move forward. Number one, every time I post a video, which will be daily, you'll get an update of my portfolio, which is primarily Robinhood, and you'll get an update as far as how much I have in there, how much I've made, what's exactly in it. So I want to be as transparent as possible. Number two, I'm going to give you an update on the stocks that I have, but also the ones that I like and I'm doing research on. Number three, I'm going to always give you an overall opinion of why the market is performing the way it's doing. Obviously it's been a very volatile market so far this year, so that's always good to know. And then number four, every once in a while I'll do a training session on some of the tools that you can use within your own investing platform to make sure you can maximize your gains, whether it's option trading or potential margin trading, whatever that might be for you. So like I said, I'm sure there's a bunch of you out there who are doing the same with your life savings or your savings overall, just trying to go within the market, especially since it's such a bullish market at this point. Who probably doesn't want to put their money in there right now? But that's what I'm trying to do. I'm hoping this works out. Now, one thing you will notice on my videos, I'm not going to do a whole bunch of editing or any of that stuff. I'm just going to give you guys what I think about, what's in my portfolio and what's going on with my finances at the moment. I'm not going to put a crazy ton of editing on it. I still got a full-time job. I'm just trying to do this on the side so we can hopefully grow the channel, and then maybe one day it can be my full-time job. But that being said, especially with the baby, there's just not enough time in the day. So hopefully what I'm putting out there is something you guys are looking for. Also, one of the things that I think it will help you if you do subscribe to my channel is I'm trying to block out all the fluff you see within YouTube. Every other YouTube channel you might see, you're probably going to see a headline that says, buy this stock. It's a penny stock. It's going to do 100x, so on and so forth. I don't know how to find those stocks. I'm just here doing primarily adding low cap stocks that are between $10 to $15 in my portfolio, stocks that I like a lot for the most part, right? But stocks that I do think are going to grow relatively fast. Maybe not as fast as a hyper stock, but definitely a lot faster than you would, such as a stock like Apple or Microsoft or so on and so forth. Those blue chip stocks. I'm like right in the middle, essentially, you would say. So hopefully it's something that's what you guys are looking for if you do subscribe to the channel. And then last but not least, for those of you that are trying to get into investing, I do have a couple links below for WeBull and Robinhood where you can essentially go in there, open a brokerage account, add some cash and get some free stocks. Full disclaimer, I get a stock as well, but it's always good when if you're going to open an account anyways, might as well get something free out of it. So that's pretty much it. I'm hoping you guys really like the content. And how you guys can really help me out before this video ends is please hit me with a subscribe button. It would really mean a lot. It's one way I'm going to be able to grow the channel, and it's going to kind of keep me motivated to make sure that I continue to put out content out there for you guys to see. And then also, if you do subscribe, make sure to hit the notifications button. That way you guys can know exactly when I post a video, so you can be the first ones to see it. So yeah, that's pretty much what I got, and I'll see you guys in the next video.